What's up guys, Xvid here with another video. I have not done a video in a while, but I guess this is gonna be a super video. Yeah, I do have like an entire dump for like this month, like an entire music dump that I think you have seen is started. So, I think you guys can see something that is kind of unusual for this channel. That's right, I am running Windows 11 and I have been for the past 6 months. With the only problem, oh shit, I just realized that my email address has been leaked. Okay, so I hope that like editor me will censor that out. But if not, then feel free to message me. Anyways, so I had to make like a PC repair, where I had to like refresh Windows, and I had to use Imager, so that's one reason. And another reason I was running Windows is because I got this bad boy for a Christmas gift. This is called the Numark Party Mix Mark II. This is an actually good DJ mixer. Let me just adjust this. Anyways, this thing only works with Serato DJ Lite, which requires Windows 10 or 11. And I just hate the fact that it did not work with Mix out of the box. But as you guys can see, I got Mix configs working. And for FL Studio, I use FL Studio 12 on a Windows 7 VM, or at least that's how I used to use it before switching to Windows. But given the fact that Microsoft is just implementing worse updates every second, I'm gonna switch back. As you guys can see, I am downloading Linux Mint XFCE, and yeah, I'm going back to my old config. So after transferring the 3 files that I actually need, because everything else is just not really useful shit. Like, let me open up my documents to see if I skipped over anything. No, I don't need anything else. So yeah, I guess that I should also blur my Explorer, but yeah. Anyways, meanwhile that is doing its thing, it's time for the outro, or fuck it, the intro. Yeah, it is kind of late, like 10 p.m. But yeah, let's start the video. Okay, so Mint just started or just finished downloading, so I guess let's just flash it on this flash drive. Yeah, should I make a persistent partition? Nah, I don't need that. Famous last words. Let's change the volume. Or nah, let's just go stock. Yeah, right in ISO. As I said, we're right. Sure, I don't give a fuck. And okay, so Rufus just hit the 10-minute mark, and it's still not done yet. Like, what the fuck is taking so long? Like, I have school tomorrow. Man. Fuck. And finalizing. Ready. So, fuck you Windows Update, we ain't gonna do shit like that nowadays. Wait, where the fuck is the normal shutdown button? Like the yellow thing here. Doesn't that mean update? Okay, fuck. I'm just gonna... Should I... Wait. Look, isn't that supposed to... Wait, where the fuck is my shutdown button? Excuse me. The fuck am mean restart? Are we for real using updates right now? No. Hey. The fuck are we doing? Hello? We have sign of life. Never mind. Okay, so apparently it's just shut the computer down. But then why the fuck did it say restarting? Anyways, that's enough activity for today. So I'm gonna continue this video tomorrow. See you next time. Okay, so after I stopped using Windows, let's just boot into Linux. Okay, so wait. F12. Entering boot menu. USB HDD. I know I saw Ubuntu, but this is how we're gonna go right now. If it's a bad sign, I have forgot. I have not installed it in a year. Never mind. We got the classic startup circle. Why the fuck is it so bad? I cannot even change the brightness. Anyways, I think I have to hold it close. Or zoom in, maybe. And let's see. If you tell me that I filmed this entire video in 720p, I'm gonna be extremely angry and shit. Come on, are we for real waiting for a black screen? Never mind, we just got a mouse cursor. And a taskbar, which is absolutely slow. Not slow, but small. Okay, I guess let me check. Do I have anything? No. Excuse me. Hello? Fuck you mean encrypted? Nope. Do I for real have BitLocker? Don't I have Windows 11 Home or some shit like that? Nah. I can't believe this. What do you mean that it's encrypted? Does that mean I got BitLocker or BitLicker? Fuck. I swear that I have Windows 11 Home, it says there, Home. Okay, let's see, settings. Privacy and security. No. Please don't. The fuck you mean decryption can take a long time? And also, do I have BitLocker? What the fuck did I click on? What the fuck is this? This much. No. Luckily I don't have BitLocker. Oh shit. Just realized that my email's here. Entire time. Okay, so I just found out that I accidentally recorded this entire video so far in 720p 30, so I'm not gonna change the resolution now. But yeah. Okay, device encryption is off. Let me just... I know that I can like boot straight into BIOS like from here, but I don't need to do that. Around here we do it with the good old simple way. The fuck you mean the fan just accelerates? I clicked to shut it down. Look, it's still up. Okay, finally it's turning off. And enter. Enter. The bitch. I did not ask for Windows. I pressed on the button. Oh, and I also leaked my email again. Okay, come on. Waiting for a second. And maybe now. Bitch! It doesn't let me boot. Oh, fuck no. Sorry, I am not doing this. Okay, so do I need to fucking close that? I'm just gonna leave it for a second and come back to it later.
Did you know what? With parents still.
Okay, so after checking out some Instagram stories, I guess it's time to just boot up again. Like, I have been like away from this for like 5 minutes, including another doom scroll session. So yeah, let us see. The fuck you mean it's still on Windows? Hello? What the fuck am I supposed to do in a situation like this? What if I shut it down this way? Okay, now it actually says shutting down. I don't know if it did that before. Oh fuck no. I cannot get the boot manager to appear again. Okay, I am going off camera just to try and catch it. Or maybe last chance. I give up, and now it also just leaked my email for no reason. Okay, bye. Fuck it. Video's cancelled. Bye. So while waiting, I watched some dank pods. And after watching enough dank pods, I have determined that it's time for my chance to shine. Don't tell me that you're not gonna let me boot. Fuck. No. Fuck you, Windows. Like, there's usually the press enter to change boot device. Like, where is it now? Like, even if I wanted to, I would not be able to switch boot device. I remember that there was like some stuff where you could like go into your boot menu or something and like go to BIOS and shit. Yeah. But I forgot how it works. Oh well, fuck. It's already been an hour of just me trying and waiting. What do you mean I control? I don't care. Okay, system, maybe. Also, recovery. Fix problems. Advanced startup. Starting from a USB drive. Wait, this may be what I need. Hold up. Let's see. My mouse cursor has. Okay, it disappeared. Thank you. This was what I needed. USB HDD again. And Linux Mint. Good old vendor company product name USB. It's just junk, but at least I got it for free. And I kinda have a chunk missing out of it, but like I was just chipping these away when I was bored. But yeah, let the man work. Okay, so it just finished launching, and I guess I have to check Explorer again to see, is my drive unencrypted now? It looks like that. I hope I don't have anything important, but like most important shit was just like sent over by fucking Telegram. Wait, don't I have those pictures that I would maybe need? Don't ask me what kind of picture, like some old ass photos. Early, right, this is my user. Okay, shut up, installer. Pictures. Camera? What the fuck do I have there? Okay, I need to copy those over somewhere. Or I can send it over to my phone. So that's what I'm gonna do. Be back in a minute, guys. Okay, now that I have got all of my data working and got a bug off of my screen, like a literal bug. Now it's finally time to install, which I'm stupid because it's already here. Okay, continue. Yes. USB 2 speeds. That's all I can say. This is what I usually call. What the fuck? I don't know what the fuck the password should be. Oh fuck. Okay, so I started reading a bit about like should I just have secure boot or not? I guess let's install. What the fuck? Hey, like I checked the card. Like where the fuck did I just get my microSD popping up? Unable to eject. Writing data. No. You don't have to. Let me remove it. I don't want to add it to my devices. You know. Wait, let me quit the installation and retry it. Or no mind, I don't need to erase this. And for some reason my entire cursor is just a fucking beach ball now. Quit. I guess let me retry. I guess I have to go through the installation now of camera now that I fucked it up, I think, because it does not want to do anything. Okay, so I definitely did something wrong, but I just cannot proceed with the installation, so let me just remove the installation medium, then press enter. Quickly put it back in, press enter. F12. Fuck. Vendor company product code. Sorry, what? Fuck, I just killed my image, I think. No. Did I fuck up my entire PC? Or only the bootable thing? Like, can I still boot into Windows, perhaps? To refresh this thing? Please wait! I'm sorry, what do you mean, please wait? Did I get my Windows installed too? What the fuck? Okay, continue to was 11. Dude, this thing is cursed. Anyways, one more Rufus later, I think I'm gonna retry it if I can. But this thing is already like going too long. Like, I don't want my entire day to be spent on this, and also another day for editing, because I have like my email address plastered everywhere. Fuck. I'm just second guessing posting this already. But yes, let me just go ahead and Rufus another time. Okay, Rufus. And yes. And yes. Close. So yeah, another 10-minute Rufus job later. We'll be back soon. And I just realized that look, I know that it is early, but for God's sake, it's not that early. And don't know what it is, but since booting into Linux again, my PC just cursed itself. So yeah, anyways, smaznug. Look, I don't know what the problem is, but even after refreshing, I can try and go to the same USB HDD I was in before. And next thing I know, something has gone seriously wrong. Like, is it because I just refreshed the drive? Like, is something wrong with my machine? So I remember I saw that Ubuntu partition. Like, what if I try booting that thing instead? Continue boot, I guess. Okay, so this is grub. Never mind, I don't know how grub works. Can I just escape? Can I like shut down maybe? No. exit. Okay. You know what? I give up. Next thing I'm gonna try is Ubuntu. Although I have never tried Ubuntu, I guess it's finally time to try out Ubuntu. Still don't know what the fuck the problem is. Continue to Windows 11. Okay, so that's it for now, I guess. I am gonna, switch over to Ubuntu and put Ubuntu on this, and if it still doesn't work, then something is seriously wrong with this guy. Oh, and it just leaked my email again. Yippee. So before actually getting to download another distro, I just got Bellini Etcher to see if that will work. So will it? Good old advanced startup like we did last time, so we can get the bootmate to work. Actually, this is the most I have actually suffered with installing Linux. For me, it's usually just plug it in, boot from it, and that's it. Why the fuck does it take so long now? Last time. Hello? 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 You know what? I give up. I'm gonna try Rufus because third time's a charm. But if not, then I'm just gonna leave this video be. Nobody wants to see me fail for an hour straight. If you want to see that, I think that there are much better fitting channels for you. Because now it just doesn't wanna boot at all. So I was just watching some Frog for Dog and gave Rufus a third chance. And while I gave Rufus a third chance, it actually works. I know I'm gonna have school in an hour, so I don't think this will finish. It works now at least. And the time also just magically works again. So yeah. It's quite promising so far. I hope it doesn't break itself. So I'm writing my homework, but the installation just finished, so... Oh shit, I forgot to remove this. Fuck. I'm stupid. Hope we don't have any problems with that now. Alright. Continue boot, I guess. The fuck's up with this grab? I have a feeling I fucked something up. No. I hope this was just for startup because I don't wanna deal with all this crap shit. So, I know this is not my first time using Mint, and it will probably not be the last. So let me try restarting the machine to see, is it always gonna look this funky on first, or will it just work straight out of the box, because Mint is the only OS I have on here. Okay, can I advance that? What the fuck do you mean Windows Boot Manager? What if I come here? Okay. So, it looks like I got a weird ass Windows thing still here. I don't need it. So next thing is gonna be removing Windows from this ring. Because I don't need it anymore. Trust me. And also, it's just bad. what about now? Okay, it actually looks fine for me. And it actually boots up faster than it did like on previous versions. So first thing, partitions. Well, what the fuck can I use to partition? Disk usage analyzer, no. Anyways, let me just customize real quick. Or, I mean, that can wait for a while. Remember that, like, tap to click or something. Okay, so tap to click also works. Now all I care about is so I can like removable drivers and media, maybe this is it. No. Okay, I'm sorry. But what about this usage analyzer? No, I just want like something that's basically like G-ported. Can I just download it like when I'm right now? And I also need Telegram because that's where I send all of my files. And yeah. Okay, so there's this system partition. But I don't know if I should delete it or not. I mean, it is FAT32. But it is mounted now. Like, I mean, hey, I think it's gonna be like good enough now. If I mount it and delete it, yes, and allocate and maybe allocate this. No, resize this to be I'm stupid. Or wait, was this thing like something I can like pull to make longer? So now I have like half a gig of unallocated space. But wait, is Gported always taking this long? Or did I fuck up something? Fuck. Please. I should have not deleted it. Fuck it. I am not gonna bother with it as of now. But yeah. Let me get back to my homework. So, not just the fact that I could not remove it with Gported, but also nowhere I've been looking everywhere around the fucking BIOS. And look, I literally cannot delete it or just do anything. Like, what if I press... Now that's just... Wait. What the fuck? Hey, look, I cannot... Look, no matter what I try, I cannot delete it. Anyways, I guess I'm gonna exit this recording changes. But now, every time I open it... Well, what the fuck is... UEFI firmware settings? I swear, if it's gonna take me back to the BIOS... It's definitely taking me back to the BIOS now. Entering setup. Fuck. Like, I cannot remove it. That's the biggest problem I have. But hey, I guess little flare that I have to press and enter first to at least let it boot up. And hello? Excuse. Wow, now we're in a new login screen, which actually looks cool. Wonder, is the desktop environment also changed? Yeah, welcome to Linux Mint. I'm pretty sure that is not how Linux Mint looks, but go on. Okay. So yeah. Wait, does that also mean we got the beautiful file manager? Wait. Okay, so we just need to download all of them one by one. Who the fuck said that I wanted you to open? And why are you update? What do you want? No. This is an entirely different device. So, first thing I did back then too was to remove GNOME software. Because I don't want it messing me up. Well, GNOME soft. Yeah, that is it. It's called remove. I'm sorry. GNOME Tetrawax. User session migration. I don't like migration. Cheese will be removed. No, I don't want these to be removed. GNOME? Oh fuck no. I just wanted to the software center and I cannot. That's sad. But I do need Flatpak support. But the fact that I cannot just remove GNOME software just makes me sad. But can I at least... Hey! No. Manual updates. Sorry. Please don't update my firmware because... I mean, I don't know about this. It may actually be good. But this thing, definitely not. It's not even the right device. So yeah. Let me just get the Flatpaks now. I just gave you the Flatpak. I'm sorry, I just gave you the Flatpak mission. So now, how the fuck am I supposed to do it? Am I expected to just drag and drop these in here? No, because that also doesn't work. Yes. And look, it already works. Much better. Okay. 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 I should probably make it so the frame will be much better. Okay, so let's install this too. Outdoor in case I would need it, but I got bottles only so I can get FS Studio. Blender. Wait, is it? Okay, I almost thought that it was opening up new ones every time. I'm thinking of maybe making the rest of the video screen cap. But hey, if I already started like this, isn't it better to finish it like this? So, other than the thousands of issues I had, this thing is actually going alright so far. Although I don't think that local sound and Krita and Mix all have the Krita icon. I am installing like literally everything I need. Why nigger? And after all that, I can happily delete this and the zip file. And yeah, I'm gonna finish my homework. So not just the fact that I could not remove it with Gparted, but also nowhere I've been looking everywhere around the fucking BIOS. And look, I literally cannot delete it or just do anything. Like, what if I press? Now that's just wait. What the fuck? Hey, look, I cannot. Look, no matter what I try, I cannot delete it. Anyways, I guess I'm gonna exit this recording changes. But now, every time I open it, well, what the fuck is UEFI firmware settings? Sorry, if it's gonna take me back to the BIOS, it's definitely taking me back to the BIOS now. Entering setup. Fuck. Like, I cannot remove it. That's the biggest problem I have. But hey, I guess little flare that I have to press and enter first to at least let it boot up. And hello? Excuse. Wow, now we are a new login screen, which actually looks cool. Wonder, is the desktop environment also changed? Yeah, welcome to Linux Mint. I'm pretty sure that is not how Linux Mint looks, but go on. Okay. So yeah. Wait, does that also mean we got the beautiful file manager? Wait. Okay, so we just need to like download all of them one by one. Who the fuck said that I wanted you to open? And why are you update? What do you want? No. This is an entirely different device. So, first thing I did like back then too was to remove GNOME software. Because I don't want it messing me up. Well, GNOME soft. Yeah, that is it. It's called remove. I'm sorry. GNOME Tetrawax. User session migration. I don't like migration. Cheese will be removed. No, I don't want these to be removed. GNOME? Oh fuck no. I just wanted to like the software center and I cannot. That's sad. But I do need like Flatpak support. But the fact that I cannot just remove GNOME software just makes me sad. But can I at least... Hey! No. Manual updates. Manual updates. Sorry. Please don't update my firmware because... I mean, I don't know about this. It may actually be good. But this thing, definitely not. It's not even the right device. So yeah. Let me just get the Flatpaks now. I just gave you the Flatpak. I'm sorry, I just gave you the Flatpak mission. So now, how the fuck am I supposed to do it? Like, am I expected to just drag and drop these in here? No, because that also doesn't work. Yes, yes, yes. And look, it already works. Much better. Okay. 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 I should probably make it so the frame will be like much better. Okay, so let's install this too. Outdoor in case I would need it, but I got bottles only so I can like get FS Studio. Blender. Wait, is it? Okay, I almost thought that it was opening up new ones every time. I'm thinking of maybe making the rest of the video like screen cap. But hey, if I already started like this, isn't it better to finish it like this? So, other than the thousands of issues I had, this thing is actually going alright so far. Although I don't think that local sound and Krita and Mix all have the Krita icon. I am installing like literally everything I need. Why nigger? And after all that, I can happily delete this and the zip file. And yeah, I'm gonna finish my homework. So I just finished writing my homework and I'm currently watching Dangpots talk about Samsung Nugget. On a Samsung Nugget. Smaznug. Even more Smaznug. You can never have enough Smaznug. In fact, you are a Smaznug right now. So I started this video with WinVer and now I'm gonna end it with NeoFetch because finally I successfully installed Linux on this beauty. But if only I could maybe get out. Wasn't the mode to get back out of 7? I know that I am not using XFCE, but I do have it installed, so if I start X. We seem to be getting an error. And I also seem to not have anything working, so did I just break it? And I had like multiple like running stuff. So I don't wanna just fucking... No, did I lose everything? Just by ending no, because that's what it looks like. You know what, fuck it. We're gonna force restart. I feel like I definitely corrupted something. Alright. So for instance, what the fuck? Why is the logo flashing? But yeah. Now it looks much more like Ubuntu for some reason. But I can customize it at least. So that's what I'm gonna do. Customization. Wait, where the fuck is extensions? Not here. Yes, it is here. Ubuntu dock. Settings. Bottom. Intelligent auto hide. Press against the center. Don't be planner mode. Preview. What is icon size limit? None. You know what? Maybe 64px. Or yeah, this looks about how I want it to look. No, I don't need this. I also don't need this. And also think I should just appearance. Well, don't shrink it. No. Show overview on startup. What if I use built-in theme? I don't know, but I don't even care. So not dots, square dots. No, I wanted the dots to be white. Use dominant color. Wait, I can use the color, and that's actually good. So, what if I turn off the glossy effect? And now all I need is just something to round it. Now I cannot see. Yeah. But anyways, so far this is gonna be good enough. I just need to like go back to the trash and get all of those flatpak refs. Okay, so I just got everything back, so it's working. Wait, I also got chromatic. Okay, so that's weird. Where half of the stuff I wanted to install does not appear anywhere, even though that I've just clicked install. Like, for example, Audacity. It's literally nowhere. So, do I need to get that thing from here? like from GNOME apps. Also wait, is VLC here because I wanted to get that too? No, it isn't. So I guess I also need VLC from here. Come on. And I don't want to update anything. Do you mean update? Just installed these. So yeah, this is how it's going so far. And I can finally just, and although it was hard and tricky to set up, I got everything working. So yeah, I think this is gonna be the end of today's video. And it's time to send editor me into a coma. Bye. Okay, so current me is here, and I found some, and I just like digged through Flatpak to like get some stuff that I usually use. So now I'm just gonna compress it and send it to myself on Telegram because that's usually the first thing I download. Yeah, editor me blur this out too. Okay, you can stop the blur. And also, quick check. 10 minutes left.